Welcome back to Session 8 of GED Geometry Review. Perimeter means the distance all the way around the outside of a shape. If you walked along every edge and came back to the start, the total distance you walked is the perimeter. A few shortcuts help. For a rectangle, perimeter is 2 times length plus width. For a square, it is 4 times the side. For any polygon, just add every outside side. And for a regular polygon, multiply the number of sides by the side length. Let's try a rectangle that is 9 by 5. Add length and width first. 9 plus 5 is 14. Then double it. 2 times 14 is 28. Each side is counted twice, which is why we double. Now a square with side 7. All 4 sides are equal, so perimeter is 4 times 7, which is 28. Same answer as the rectangle, but for a different reason. For shapes without a shortcut, just add. This triangle has sides 7, 9, and 11. 7 plus 9 plus 11 is 27. That is the whole perimeter. Regular shapes are quick. This pentagon has 5 equal sides of 6, so perimeter is 5 times 6, which is 30. Count the sides, multiply by the length. The big mistake is multiplying the sides together. Multiplying dimensions gives area or volume. Perimeter only adds side lengths. If you are going around the outside, you are adding. Quick check. A regular pentagon has all sides equal to 6. What is its perimeter? 5 equal sides times 6 is 30. To recap, perimeter is the distance around. Rectangle is 2 times length plus width. Square is 4 times the side. A regular polygon is sides times length. And everything else, you just add. Perimeter uses plane units. Great job. Trace a few perimeters on your own, and I'll see you in the next session.